guys? It's your girl Pam J again, coming to you with another video. Second part to my video. The first part I did a everyday makeup look, which I achieved this look right here. If you're feeling it, check out the link in the description. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. But this look is the second part to the video, which is the hair. And we're going to be doing a wash and go featuring Mielle, because you know your girl is a brand ambassador now. If you guys didn't know, now you do. But we're going to be doing a bomb wash and go that I freaking love, that gives me great results. And I just wanted to show you guys how I do it and the order that I put the products on. So if you're interested in seeing how this hair is going to look, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is already washed and cleaned. As you can see, it's a little damp. So you start with freshly cleansed hair. So basically when I start my wash and goes, I tend to just basically part my hair down the middle, because when you're doing a wash and go, you want to wash and go. Like, you don't want to take all day doing your hair. So we're gonna re-wet the hair a little bit because it's not all the way damp. So we're just gonna drench this hair and get it damp, because you want to work with damp hair. And sorry guys, I'm looking over here, I'm looking at the mirror. Okay, we're gonna be using the Mielle White Peony Leave-In Conditioner. And then just rub it throughout. Do the raking method. Just rub it throughout the hair. Okay, once you have the leave-in conditioner, we're gonna go in with the honey and ginger styling gel. Take about 3 pumps. Yeah, see, my hair is weird, because you see how straight my hair looks? By the time I get to scrunching, like, it just come to life, you know? Anybody else hair like that? Like, I would literally have to manipulate my hair. Alright, now once we have the honey and ginger styling gel in it, we're going to give it some extra boost. And that's why I use the Mielle Brazilian Curly Cocktail Mousse, Curl Mousse. And this is going to give it that bump, make it pump like crazy. Take that mousse, go throughout the hair, and scrunch. That's the important part. You're gonna mousse and scrunch. Take you a microfiber towel or a cotton shirt and just squeeze out the excess, but scrunch up. But you're squeezing out that excess water and product. And I'm just gonna let that sit and go to the other side. The leave-in conditioner is great because it's not super heavy. It's very lightweight. So it's going to give your curls that very light, airy, moisturized feeling. Because it's not too heavy. It's very lightweight. So you don't have to be scared to go a little heavy-handed with the product, because it's light. It's very light. It's a light product, and that's why I love it. This is what my hair is looking like after, as you can see. Now you just let your hair air dry, or you can either diffuse it, since I'm in kind of a rush, I'm gonna diffuse my hair. So I'm gonna diffuse it and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I diffused my hair. It's pretty much, it's about probably 95% dry. Could be a little more drier. But as you can see, my curls are bouncy. They're bouncy. They're moisturized. Super curly and defined. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that silkiness. And they're so freaking soft. Like, my curls, they aren't crunchy or anything. They are just luscious, juicy, luscious, juicy, soft curls. They aren't hard or anything like that. They're super soft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys give these products a try because they are the bomb. When I tell you, get you some Mielle organics. Like, what are you waiting for? Look at this hair. Like, if you want luscious, silky, shiny, defined, soft freaking hair, definitely try Mielle. Let me stop being extra for y'all, but as y'all can see, like, look at this definition. Look how pillow soft my curls look. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. Until next time, I hope to see you guys again. Make sure you comment, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, to this channel, and also share the video, share the love of Mielle Organics. I'm telling you, it will not steer you wrong. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I see you later. Bye.